Here I am machining the ball screw for the lathe. I have to machine one end, both ends in fact, to take the bearing. This is a ball screw. Very, very hard. I had to soften it, relieve the hardness on it before I start cutting it with a carbide tip cutter. And it's a 40 millimeter 5 module ball screw. Ball screws are very, very hard. So what you do to make it machinable is you heat the area you have to machine until it gets blue. Don't go beyond blue, and let it cool for itself. You'll have to wait a couple hours, so you can do it one evening, let it cool over the night, and then you can machine it. Otherwise it will never machine. Right now it's still hard, but you have to, I'm taking small amounts of cut, and it's working okay. It's working satisfactory. I have no problem with it. This screw is 2 meters long. This is the other end here. I heated it until it gets blue and leave it to cool down on its own.